Okay, Tesla just made a move that's bound to shake up the entire automotive industry. Imagine your business profiting from Tesla's powerhouse supercharger network without even bearing their name. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, stay tuned because this is about to change the EV game as we know it. Just announced, Tesla's offering businesses the chance to install unbranded superchargers. This could change everything for companies looking to tap into the electric vehicle boom. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why these white-label superchargers are a game-changer. And wait until you hear what they're planning for 2026. So here's the scoop: Tesla's supercharger network is already the most extensive in the US, known for its reliability and speed. Now, they're opening up this robust system to businesses, letting them add Tesla's charging prowess without the Tesla branding. These superchargers come with a 97% reliability guarantee, covering maintenance and network operations. But here's where things get really interesting. Businesses can rebrand these chargers, making them an integral part of their operations while still being part of Tesla's ecosystem. Now, let's dig into the details. The Supercharger for Business program offers a V4 post that delivers up to 500 kilowatts with up to 1000 volts. This means super fast charging for your customers. Plus, Tesla handles the installation through a partner of your choice and guides you every step of the way. You can even monitor usage, adjust pricing, and track earnings. However, there's a catch: pricing for these installations isn't public. A report from 2019 suggests that a single non-Tesla DC charger might cost over $140,000, and Teslas might not be any cheaper. Here's the part that's got everyone talking: this isn't Tesla's first rodeo with white-label superchargers. Back in 2023, BP ordered these chargers for their BP Pulse network. It was a $100 million move aimed at reaching 100,000 EV charging stations by 2030. This collaboration showed Tesla's willingness to partner and revolutionize charging accessibility on a massive scale. Now, what does all this mean for the future of the automotive industry? As EV adoption grows, infrastructure is king. Tesla's move could accelerate the transition to electric vehicles, making charging more accessible and profitable for businesses. It's a bold prediction, but we might see a world where every gas station is also an EV hub. So, what do you think? Could your business benefit from this new Tesla initiative? Drop a comment telling me which specific detail impressed you most. And hit subscribe because next week I'm breaking down the latest advancements in autonomous driving technology. You won't want to miss it.